Oh my God, I can't believe this. I hit 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours. This is insane. It sounds impossible, but it's very possible, and I did it. Yes, Ben did it. I did it. I got 3,600 watch hours in a period of 7 hours using Restream. And I'm going to show you how I actually made it. I'm going to show you if you want to gain the 4,000 watch hours. I promise you, you can get it in a single day, in just hours, as I did it. All right, without wasting a lot of time, let's go into the video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to view my channel, my name is Ben, and on this channel, I create videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel for success. So if this is your first time to view my channel, consider subscribing my channel. Subscribe right now, turn on notifications, and smash that like button right away. Now, on this YouTube journey, getting your first 4,000 watch hours is very, very hard. It is so hard. It is the hardest milestone to score on YouTube's journey. And it takes some creators months, it takes some others years to get 4,000 watch hours. But I discovered a way that you can get 4,000 watch hours in one single day. I say it again, you can gain 4,000 watch hours in one single day using this trick that I'm going to show you, a trick that I'm about to show you right now. So just watch this video from the beginning up to the very end. And after watching this video, I promise you, watch hours will not be your problem. Maybe you have any other problem, and you can let me know that problem that you're facing under the comment section. We can literally tackle that problem and fix it too. Because the hardest problem, the watch hours, we have smashed it. Now, right now, I'm in my YouTube studio, and when you look at my channel analytics, in the last 28 days, I have 430.8K views. And when you look at my watch time, I have 3.7K watch hours in the last 28 days. Okay, let's go to my videos, my content. Okay, now this is the live stream that gained me the watch hours that I'm talking about. This is a 7 hours and 38 minutes live stream. All right, let me show you the watch hours that I'm talking about right here. Okay, you just come and tap on live time. All right, now when you look at this live stream, it generated 3,648.4 watch hours. And this is how these watch hours came in. I got watch hours from Shorts feed, direct or unknown. I got watch hours from vertical live feed, browse features, and other features here. And apart from that, I also get subscribers from this, okay? And these are the subscribers I got. We just tap on live time. I got 555 subscribers from this live stream. This video was streamed for 7 hours and 38 minutes. And this is the period that I generated all of this watch time. Now, I gained all of this using Restream. And for those of you who don't know what is Restream, Restream, it is a streaming software that is used to stream content on different social media platforms. Let it be Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and other social media platforms. So I'm going to leave a link to Restream, the version of Restream that I used. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. After watching this video, go check that link in the description and use the version of Restream that I use to gain these watch hours. Yes, first watch the video and then go check the link after knowing what to do if you reach in the website. Now, before you click in the link that I put in the description to go to Restream, you have to make sure that you have the thing that I'm going to mention. The first thing that you have to have, it is a video. And this video should be recorded in a vertical way. A vertical way is a TikTok form, YouTube Shorts form, or Instagram Reels form. That is the form that I'm meaning. So you have to make sure that that video is recorded in that form, and that video should be longer than 2 minutes. And that video should also be less than 250 MBs. It should not exceed 250 MBs. Now, once you get that video, you have to make sure that that video is owned by you. You're the original owner of it. And you have to make sure that that video is entertaining. It is mind grabbing, a video that can get people watching. Now, on my case, I can give you my advice that I used. I realized I could not get a video that can keep people watching. So I contacted my friends and I began asking them videos. My friends who are abroad from different countries, I asked them videos and they kept on sending me different videos. And these videos were recorded by them and they were not posted on YouTube. So I was the first person to use these videos on my channel, like to use these videos on YouTube. So you can use my formula if you have friends or people who can send you videos from different places, but you have to make sure that you're the first person to post that video on YouTube. Because if you post a video that someone else posted on YouTube, you'll get a strike immediately. So you have to be very careful when you're asking videos from people. All right, once you get that video, you edit it, you change the sound of the video and edit it as I'm going to show you the video that I used after this. Okay, now once you get all of this, we can go in the Restream and I show you how to restream that video and gain the 4,000 watch hours in hours. And if you don't have that video, you can still watch this video up to the end and know what you will do after getting that video. Now, before you go to Restream, I want to show you something on my channel. All right, let's go to live right here on this section. Now, as you see this video down here, it is a video that I uploaded and got me a strike. I literally got a strike 1 month ago, and this strike it's going to expire before I can apply for monetization. That's why I told you that you have to be very careful with the video that you restream. This was a video that I restreamed and it got me a strike. So to prevent this, you have to make sure that the video you use in your restream, it is a video that you own 100%. Okay, even though you ask videos from your friends, you have to make sure that they have not uploaded that video on their channels. All right, I just wanted to show you this so that you don't make a mistake of using people's videos to restream. Okay, let's go to Restream right away. Now, to access Restream, you'll need a browser, but you can just tap on the link in the description, as I said before, so that you don't get hardship in accessing the service. So with me, I already accessed this, so I can just tap on the website right here, and this is it. And now after, this is what will come next. Since I logged in before, this is the home page of Restream. But when it's your first time to visit Restream, you'll have to first create an account and sign up. Okay, so it will not be the same case with me here. This is showing up because I've already created an account on Restream. But for your case, it will be different. But you will just have to create an account and then you'll do these following steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing you'll have to do after creating your account, you'll have to tap on new right here. This option will appear and you'll tap on it. So once you tap on it, you tap on video or playlist, where you see video or playlist. This is schedule videos or stream recordings. So you just tap here. Now, once you tap on video or playlist, this is what will come next on the next screen. And you'll definitely tap on video. Okay, so this is what will come next. Now, this is a video that I restreamed last time and it has remained here. And you can upload up to 3 videos here. Okay, so let me show you how to upload a video. You just tap on upload right here, and then you choose a video that you want to restream. And once you're done choosing the video, you just tap on done here, and it will literally upload. But you have to make sure that your video is 250 MBs less. Let your video not be more than 250 MBs large. And then the other thing, as I said, you have to make sure that your video is more than 2 minutes. And the reason why you have to make sure that your video is longer than 2 minutes is because the more people watch longer video, the more chances of getting your watch time quickly. Okay, as you see my video right here, this is a 2 minutes and 9 seconds video. So you can use a video that is longer than 2 minutes or a video that is 2 minutes. All right, now after uploading your video, you minimize this, your video will appear here, and what you would do, you definitely have to minimize this. And now after minimizing it, you tap back on new, and this time around you will not tap on video or playlist, but you'll take the first option here, Restream Studio, stream directly from your browser. Okay, so you just tap on Restream Studio right here, and it will put everything together as it is saying. It will continue loading. Now after loading, this is the screen that will show next. So what you have to do right from here, it is to add your channel name. As you see my channel name here, Ben did it. Then you tap on enter, then it will begin joining. So once it joins, this is the screen that will come next. And now on this screen, what you do, you tap on these 3 dots down here, and then you go to the third option where you see video. You tap on video, and then this is what will come next. Now the video you uploaded from our previous step will appear here. As you see, my video is appearing here, so that video will appear here, and you need to choose it. You tap on it and it will definitely load. Once you tap on it, it will load. As you see my video loading, the one that I just tapped on. Now this is my video that I restreamed, and this video was about a cow giving birth. So as you see, it is playing, and now the reason why I'm pausing it, it is because I don't want it to interrupt my voice recording. Okay, so once it loads, the next thing you do, you tap on these 3 dots that you see up here, and then you loop this video. You tap on loop. Okay, so you make this video play again and again for the hours you want your stream to last. Okay, if you want your restream to last for 5 hours, for example, you leave this video to loop for 5 hours. Now after that, you tap on channels so that you connect your channel. But since my Restream account was already in existence, I've already connected my channel. But you can link your channels to your Restream, and the options will actually appear. Now when you tap on this edit button, it highlights, and that shows that it has connected to my channel. Here it has not connected, and then here it shows that it's now connected. So I just tap on save, where you see save right there. Now once I tap on save, you'll see that the word channel has gone away, and now my channel is showing up. So the next thing I will do, I'll rename my Restream, and I'll just tap on the pencil sign and edit the title of my Restream. Okay, so for example, this video was about a cow giving birth, so I'll just type in a cow giving birth, cow giving birth. Okay, then I save. So when you look at the title, it will literally change to cow giving birth. Okay, Now, if you're using your phone to restream, you have to make sure that you are using the first screen of phones. Don't use these other ones. They are useless. They are for other use. But for restreaming on YouTube, you have to use the first one, this one, okay? All right. And if you're going to use your computer, your laptop, you have to change from this computer default screens to the phone screens. Okay, from this that you're seeing, because when you log in using a computer, this will be the default screen that will appear. But you have to change from this to that of a phone and use the first screen ratio so that you get your video streamed well. All right. Now, after choosing the screen, the next thing you do, it is now tapping on go live. That is definitely going live. And once you tap on go live, your video will literally go live immediately. And now after going live, you can leave it to be live for the hours you want, or you can keep on monitoring the views that you want to gain or the watch hours that you want to gain using your dashboard YouTube Studio. Now, if you found this video helpful, and indeed it is helpful, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this. You can check out this video that shows how to brainstorm video ideas. If you are recently running out of video ideas in every niche, you can literally brainstorm video ideas after watching this video. And you can also check out this playlist that have all what you need to grow your YouTube channel. I've organized this playlist with all the videos that show how to grow a YouTube channel for success. All right. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.